Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Today in my kitchen, I'm doing some sausage balls. A couple weeks ago, I did a sausage ball recipe that was given to me from my oldest son, aka favorite son, Drew, his girlfriend, Jessie. Today, I'm gonna do my recipe and I'm gonna have a little slant on it. So I'm gonna start by taking a 1 pound of fresh sausage. And you can use store-bought sausage, you can use hot sausage, mild sausage, whatever you want. But I like to take mine and put it in the bowl and put it in the microwave for about 40 seconds so it gets kind of the grease kind of going in it before I mix it. It's easier to mix that way, I have found. And sausage balls are something that, even growing up, my mom and dad did a big open house for Christmas every year. And so we had lots of people in and out all the days that I can remember, and we always had sausage balls. So let me pop those in the microwave for 40 seconds. And I'll get I'm gonna use 2 cups of Bisquick. I'm gonna use 2 cups of Tillamook shredded cheddar cheese. You can choose to shred your own, that's totally up to you, but that's what I'm using. I bake my sausage balls on 400 for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how quick your oven cooks. I always set it for about 12 minutes so I can check them, because honestly, I make mine ahead of time and put them in the freezer after they cool, and then I bring them out on Christmas Eve and warm them up on my Paper Chef pizza pan. And that way they warm up kind of crisp. You can also use a toaster oven, or, you know, some people even use an air fryer. I don't use an air fryer for that, but some people do. Okay. Got my sausage, and I like to mix my bacon, my Bisquick or my all-purpose baking mix first. And I'm gonna put 2 cups in, carefully. Sausage balls are just a staple around here, and you know, everybody loves them. We actually have a little get together to go to tonight, and you're supposed to bring a snack to share. So I'm gonna be taking some sausage balls to share. Let me just get this back in here just a little bit. I got a little too much. There we go. So 2 cups of all-purpose baking mix or Bisquick, and I just get my hands in there. I can feel that warm sausage, mix this into the sausage, and yes, I'm making a mess. Part of baking is making a mess, I guess. Anyway, I don't know how old I was when I started making the sausage balls, when I still lived at home, but my mama was so glad that I did, because it took one thing off of her plate to have to do. But we had sausage balls and those ham and cheese sandwiches, sometimes ham biscuits. We always had lots of sweets. We had fudge and peanut butter balls. My mom even made coconut balls some too. I'm not a big coconut fan, so I wasn't a big fan of those, but I loved her Christmas peanut butter chocolate covered balls. Loved them. Anyway, once you get this incorporated, and again, my oven's on 400. I'm gonna bake them for about 12 minutes and take them out. It's getting a little workout in here. Once that baking powder gets completely mixed in, just keep pressing down and kneading it, the sausage. I would love to know too, when this video posts, what's your sausage ball recipe? Put it in the comments and share your sausage ball recipe. I know there's, you know, a little slant on some. I've made some before with pimento cheese. I've made some with cream cheese. And then I've made my own, which is what I'm doing today, which was my mama's recipe. Okay, I'm gonna add in 2 cups of the Tillamook shredded cheddar cheese. And again, you can shred your own if you like, but you need 2 cups. This is farm style, fine cut, sharp cheddar. And then I'm gonna mix that in. Get it incorporated. Sausage balls are one of my oldest son Drew's favorites. So it wouldn't be Christmas without having some sausage balls out. Just wouldn't. Those traditions are hard to break, for sure. And once you get this incorporated, you want to make the sausage balls kind of the same size, and you can even use a cookie scoop, one of those little ones, if you wish. I just kind of pinch mine and ball them up. Okay, this is looking pretty good. I'm gonna use parchment paper to bake them on. Then you don't have to wash your pan, which is nice. And I just make mine bite size. Just pinch them up and roll them. And this recipe makes 3.5 dozen. Place them on your parchment paper. And you don't have to place them real far apart because they don't spread, they kind of keep their shape. There we go. And again, just try to keep them the same size so they all cook evenly. And I put mine in a row like that. I'm going to show you the spacing on it that I use. About like that. So about, I don't know, a little over an inch for each row. And that is how I do my sausage balls. Let me show you the ones that I've already done, that are already out of the oven. Voila, sausage balls, y'all. They are delicious. Everybody loves them. They're definitely go-to to take to a get-together or to have at your house. Love them. Give them a try. Sausage balls, y'all. Merry Christmas from my kitchen to yours. We'll see you soon. Bye now.